This is a 1969 Dodge Coronet RT. This thing just screams muscle car madness. This is a really nice car. Has a ton of originality to it. RT car, 440 car. It's got its numbers matching engine, 727 buckets, console, gauges. It's got a lot going on. Repaint of its original blue color. Really nice. Runs and drives just excellent. Maybe one of the nicest Mopars we've had in the shop as far as running and driving goes. That was a hot start. It's a hot day out here, that's for sure. So you can see there, got your factory tack, temperature gauge. Should go back down. It just was showing a little hot because it was parked. Factory tack is just so cool in a Mopar. Don't see them very often. Got your oil pressure, floor console shifter. You do have factory air conditioning. This is a pretty highly optioned Coronet. AC works really well too. Got a horn. Really comfortable interior. This headliner looks to be the original headliner. Also does look like the original package tray. A lot of originality here. Got your emergency brake. Pretty cool. Watch how this door shuts. Perfect. Really nice gaps. Alright, there you have it, folks. There's your 440 Magnum V8, numbers matching engine. Got your factory air conditioning, got the clutch engaged there, it's spinning, you got power steering, you got power brakes. This car is just a pleasure to drive. Look at all these nice original hoses in there. Really powerful engine. Has a great sound to it. Really powerful. Brand new interstate battery. And check out our website. We'll have some high quality photographs of the cowl tag there. Hood closes nice. Black vinyl top, radial TA tires. Those tires are over 10 years old. If you do plan on seriously driving this car, we always recommend investing in a new set of tires due to age. Kind of love those side vents there. They're not real vents, but they sure do look cool. Add some really cool styling. '69, 1 year only, with the center looking brake light. It's not actually a real brake light, it's just for looks. Listen to that exhaust. up, but it's still in really good shape. It's been freshly sanded and buffed by our body shop. It just looks awesome. There are some imperfections if you get right up on it. There's a little outer dent there, right there. There's a little touch up in through there. But overall, not much to knock on this car. Really clean, really straight, really solid. We believe it to be all original sheet metal. The gaps on the car are perfect. Runs and drives awesome. If you're in the market for a Mopar muscle machine, seriously take a good look at this 69 Coronet RT. Go to our website, carsrememberwhen.com. About 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. We'll have detailed pictures of the cow tag, so you can take a look at how the car was ordered. And if you have any more questions, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.